I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the right hardware. A quality external DAC or USB audio interface plus a powered headphone amp or active speakers. Once you have that, plug the DAC into your phone or computer, then connect the amp or speakers. Make sure Apple Music is set to play lossless if supported, and turn off any iOS volume limit. This clears software caps so the external device can control true output level. Next, configure the signal path so nothing limits the peak. On a Mac, open Audio MIDI setup and select the DAC sample rate/bit depth to match the tracks. On iOS, use the DAC vendor app to set native format pass-through. Disable sound check inside Apple Music, then raise the app output to full, but control loudness primarily with the external amp's gain knob. This preserves digital headroom and avoids software normalization that reduces. Finally, set the final listening level at the amp or powered speaker. Slowly raise the gain until you reach comfortable loudness and monitor for clipping or distortion. If you hear artifacts, back the gain off a bit. If levels still seem low, enable a fixed pad or gain boost in the DAC app or swap to a higher gain amp. Troubleshooting. If you get distortion, reduce preamp gain or enable a -3 dB pad. Check cables and power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.